Hi, Yumika. Welcome to our recorded class. This is the December 5, 2004 recorded class for our number sense work. So how about let's start with our calendar. Today's date it is December 5, 2024. And where is December 5? In our calendar, this is December 5. I circled it here on our screen. Let's erase the writings on the screen, and how about let's count our numbers from 1 to 30. So how about I check the number for you and you get to see our numbers, okay? And count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we have our numbers 1 to 30. And how about let's check for the rest of our screen work. We have our number friend for today. Our number friend is the number 10. So how about let's check for our dots in the frame and let's count them together. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 dots in a frame. And in our tally marks, this is how it should look like. So we have to do our counting sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sliding down. A 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sliding down. So that's how you do your tally marks for number 10. Remember, a 1 and a 0 makes number 10. And for our dice, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have the number 10. And for our blocks, it should show 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 10. We spell the word 10 with the letters T, E, and the letter N. We have the word 10. Let's erase the writings on the screen and let's prepare for the next part of our work. And that is to practice writing for our number 10. So if you have your whiteboard, your marker, and eraser, please get it. We'll do our number 10. So how do we do the number 10? A straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way to make a 10. So again, let's do number 10. Straight line down, then with a grin, around with a grin. That's the way to make a 10. Last one. Straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way to make a 10. So we have our number 10. So this is 10. Now let's move on to the next part. And let's erase this one. We'll have a game. This time, we'll get to sort the things that show 10. So let's see which things show 10. So we have our number 10 template already, and we'll get to put pictures that show 10. And let's see which are these ones that we need to count for. Let's start with the bears at the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We marked for the bears, it's 7, it's not 10. Is this the word 10? T-E-N, 10? Yes, so let's put this one here. It's the word 10. Another one. What about for the frame? Let's count the dots in the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9, not 10. How about the fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not 10, but 7. What about the dots in the frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. That's number 10. Let's put this one here. What about for our dice? How many dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That shows 10. Let's move it here for number 10. Oops, I think this one should go at the back so that we can see our dice. So this one is 10. It shows 10. What about the bears? Let's mark and count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shows 10. And this one is a long picture. It goes here at the bottom. So we have 10 bears. What about another one? Another picture is missing. Is this the word 10? No, this is the word 7. Does the dice show 10 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6. What about the fingers? Does it show 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10. We have to put this one here, number 10. So we have all the things that show 10. Our number friend today again, it is number 10. Let's erase the writings on the screen and let's move on to another part of our recorded class, and that is to work on our work. It's going to be the number 10. So please get your number sense book, go to page 64. This is our work for today. Let's start with writing the name. So on your work, please write your name and please trace your 10 and the word 10. So I will do it on the screen. 1 and a 0, that makes 10. We have T, E, N, the word 10. Trace for your number 10, that's a 1 and a 0. So again, 1 and a 0, 10. 1 and a 0, 10. You have to trace. And I apologize for the picture. I got this one from one of the books of your classmates in the afternoon. Her book got wet, so that's why the picture doesn't look nice. But it's okay. You can still work on your worksheet. My video here is just a guide for you to follow and work. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next page? I will erase for our number 10 and I will jump to finding our number 10. So let's circle all our 10s. This is 10. This one also. Another one. I will do it by column so that it's not hard for me to find all the 10. This one. I forgot this one also. This is 10. And the last one here at the bottom, it's 10. So I found all the number 10. So how many did we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 number 10s here. And please do not forget, always write your name at the top. Now, if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. How about let me erase this one on our screen and let's go do the next part of our work. So how about we trace our 10 and we get to color 10 teddy bears. So we have a 1 and a 0, that is 10. Then TEN, 10. And we get to color the 10 bears. So how many again? It should be 10. So you have to prepare also your crayon for that. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So our number, friend, again, it is the number 10. We colored for 10 teddy bears. Now it says here to color the tens gray. If you have your gray crayon, please color for 10. So we have this, it's 10, another one, and this one too. Number 10 and this one. So here we have all our number 10s inside the boxes. Now that we're done with this one, let's erase and let's jump to the next one. Let me fix our screen here. Let's put it down. Okay. Now for this one, we get to trace again the number 10. Again, please don't forget to write your name, and you need to trace all the number 10 from the biggest 10 to the smallest one at the bottom. So again, trace your number 10. A 1 and a 0 makes 10. So you need to finish all of these and you can move to the next page if you're done with this work. But first, let me show you. It will look nice if you try to follow all of the dotted lines to trace your number 10. A 1 and a 0, that makes a 10. Again, 1 and a 0. We have the number 10. A 1 and a 0, the number 10. 1 and a 0, number 10. 1 and a 0, the number 10. Last one, 1 and a 0, the number 10. Okay, we found the number 10s. All of these are done already. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one. And let's move on to this one. Okay, you need to trace all your number 10s for this work. Now, teacher won't be doing it anymore since I traced the previous page, but I will count from 1 to 10, and once I'm done counting, I will move on to the next page. But for you, you have to do this work, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have our number 10. Now, how about we trace for 10 and we get to write for the word 10. 1 and a 0, that is 10. T, E, N, we have the word 10. Let's trace for 10. A 1 and a 0, 10. Trace your number 10. Trace the number 10. 1 and a 0, 10. So I have here all our number 10s. Now, since I'm done tracing and writing for my 10, I get to draw 10 pentagons. Let me show you how to draw it. So you make the top like this, like an upside down V. Two lines going down, and then you connect it. See, we have pentagon. That's the pentagon shape. It has 5 sides. Let's do it again. That one is already 1. This is 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. 8, 9, and 10. So I have here all 10 pentagons. Let's mark and count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's 10 pentagons. Let's erase the writings on the screen. Let's jump to the next page. Now, if you weren't done yet, please pause the video. Play it again once you are done. I'm going to move on to this page, page 70. I want you to trace for your number 10, write the word and the digit. So what about for the first part? I need to trace for 1 and 0 here to make 10. And please don't forget, write the name on your work. T-E-N, that's the word 10. We have to write the word T-E-N. And we also need to write the digit. That's 1 and a 0. Let's draw all the tens inside the frame. We get to do 1 and 0, the 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and a 0, 10. 1 and a 0, 10. Last one, 1 and a 0, that's 10. Let's color for the things here. We have to color 10 bears. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have all the 10 bears. Let's erase the writings on the screen. And let's go to the next part, and that is to do your booklet for number 10. So the first page that you will need to do is to trace for our number 10. So here we have to trace and write a 1 and a 0 makes 10. So again, 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and a 0, 10. 1 and a 0, that's 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E and N, 10. T-E and N, that's 10. T-E and N, 10. So you have to fix the word 10. Try to fit, just like what I did. I put 2 in the first line, and I'll try to fit 3 on the bottom line. T-E-N, 10. And remember your spacing. After each word, there's space. T-E-N. Our word is 10. Okay, this is our word 10, the word 10. Now let's jump to the next part. We are done erasing for 10, and we get to do our sentence for matching. So let's read first our sentence. I see the number 10. Make a line. This is our number 10. The next one, I see 6 windows. So where do we put our windows? Let's make a line. Our windows comes from the bus. Last one, I see 10 fries. Our fries, the 10 fries, make a line. There you go. That's how you match your sentences to your picture. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings and let's color for our maze. Let's find all the tens inside the bubble. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So you have 11 number 10s. Done already with this one. and let us erase. Now let's move to the next page. So what's our next work? Let us check. We have here our pictures that show 10 frames. The 10 pictures, or the pictures that have 10 items. So let's mark and count. Let me fix the screen so that it is more bigger to see. Let's mark and count for our things here. How many anchors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 anchors. Let's put it here. Is this for 10? Yes, it shows 10. What about the teddy bears? Let us count then. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 10. Let's move this one here. It is 10. What about our candies in the jar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's leave that one. That is for 9. What about the mirror with the oops, sorry, I think that's not a mirror but a case with a watercolor. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That shows 10. Let's put this one here. How many chain links do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shows 10. Let's move it here inside. How many lights do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shows 10. Let's put this one here. This doesn't show 10. That's 11. How many soldiers do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That shows 9. So we found all the things that show 10 or 10 items. Now, if you are not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings because we will do the next page, and that is to sort our pictures that shows 10 and does not show 10. How about we start with this one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That shows 6. Let's put it in the other column. That's not for 10. This one is a 10 peso coin, so it's for 10. See, 1 and 0, 10. What about the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That shows 11. That's not for 10. Move it to the other column. The dots in the frame: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. If it's a full like this, that's 10. So let's put it here. What about the dots in our domino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. Let's put it in this column. And the tally marks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is sliding down, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is 9. It's another number. So this is how your work should look like for the sort it page. Now, this one is the last work for our work today, and I hope that you finish your work for today, Yumika. If you did, good job for you, and I'll give you your sticker friend. So for today, I will give you the number 1 sticker friend here, this one. And I will see you again in our next class. I hope that you finish your work for today. See you. Bye-bye.